Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read something interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The name of today's amazing story is The Power of Cooperation. Get ready, we are going to read it together. In a big forest, there were two friends, a crow and a snake. One day they found a shiny gem but argued about who should have it. To solve their problem, they asked a wise owl for help. Owl suggested a game of riddles to see who was cleverer. As the sun went down, Crow and Snake asked each other tricky questions. The crow won with his quick thinking. Surprisingly, Snake didn't get upset. Instead, he said they should share the gem and become friends. Now they work together using their different skills to solve problems. The forest, once filled with their arguments, became a happy place. It showed everyone how important it is to work together. The moral of the story is cooperation wins over conflicts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.